The Lijiang River Fishing Fire Festival, which has 3 main lines of fishing lights, fireworks, and bonfire, has been initiated by Yangshuo County government since 1999. The festival makes a unique local scenery at the end of each year with square folk art performances that make the whole county present a scene of jubilation in every corner of Yangshuo. At this time, a mass of tourists from home and abroad will come. Performances such as light dancing, torch throwing, fire-breathing performance by folk artists on small square made the atmosphere high and lively at that time before the festival officially began. Dotted stars appeared on the surface of the river at night, which 100 bamboo rafts were taken fishing farmers in crowds down the Yulong River, together with the unrivaled scene of Lijiang River, depicted a breathtaking and wonderful landscape. People are also singing and dancing on the Turtle Island on the Lijiang River. The fireworks show suddenly began with a loud bang. People in the street stopped and looked up at the gorgeous fireworks, which made the sky bright-colored. Fireworks rise and burst into blossom with a bang sound in the sky. People will feel an unprecedented happiness when colorful fireworks reflected in their faces. In addition to seeing the beautiful scenery, the most anticipated priority when coming to Yangshuo is the food here. Yangshuo beer fish is a very famous and characteristic local specialty that arouses a person's appetite, not only because of its bright color, fresh and spicy taste, but also its fragrance outside, softness inside, and surprisingly, no fishy smile. Fishing fire on Lijiang River, a culture and folk landscape lasting for thousands of years, has now become a grand folk festival, Yangshuo Fishing Fire Festival. The glittering fishing fires, the osprey leaping, and the fireworks are all imprinted in people's minds, bringing the year to a successful end.